Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Teena English Podcast. I'm Teena.
And I'm Jimin. We're so happy you're here.
Today, we're going to travel together. Imagine you've just arrived at a beautiful hotel, but the receptionist speaks only English. Would you know what to say? Don't worry. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to check into a hotel confidently.
We'll learn real English, real conversations, and useful expressions you can use anywhere in the world. Let's begin.
Wow, this hotel looks amazing. I'm excited, but also a little nervous. What should I say first?
Don't worry. I'll help you. Just speak naturally. Let's practice. Good evening. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How may I help you?
Good evening. I have a reservation.
Certainly. May I have your name, please?
My name is Teena Kim.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, I found your reservation. You'll be staying for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks perfect.
Vocabulary. Reservation. A booking made in advance. Receptionist. The person who welcomes guests. Passport. An official travel document. Stay. To live somewhere for a short time. Certainly. Of course. Perfect. Very good. Speaking practice. Repeat after us. I have a reservation. May I have your name? Here is my passport. I'll stay for 3 nights. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. Excellent. Next episode, you'll learn how to ask about your room, Wi-Fi, breakfast, and hotel facilities using natural English. Thank you. Could you tell me my room number?
Of course. Your room is room 508 on the 5th floor. Here is your key card.
Thank you. Does the room have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, it does. The Wi-Fi is free for all guests. The network name is Sunrise Hotel, and the password is written on your key card.
That's great. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. You'll find the restaurant on the ground floor.
Perfect. Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes. The gym is open 24 hours a day. We also have a swimming pool and a spa.
Wow, that sounds wonderful. One more question. Can I request a wake-up call tomorrow morning?
Certainly. What time would you like us to call you?
At 6:30 a.m., please.
No problem. We'll call your room at 6:30. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you for your kindness.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Useful vocabulary. Key card. A card used to open your hotel room. Wi-Fi. Wireless internet connection. Breakfast. The first meal of the day. Ground floor. The first floor of a building. Gym. A place to exercise. Swimming pool. A place for swimming. Spa. A place to relax and receive beauty or wellness treatments. Wake-up call. A phone call from the hotel to wake you up. Enjoy your stay. A polite way to wish someone a pleasant visit.
Speaking practice. Slowly. Repeat after me. What is my room number? Does the room have free Wi-Fi? What time is breakfast? Is there a gym in the hotel? Can I request a wake-up call? Thank you for your help. Enjoy your stay.
Excellent! Now you can confidently ask about hotel services in English. We'll practice common hotel problems, checking out, and saying goodbye naturally. The next morning. Good morning, Jimin. I had a wonderful night, but I have a small problem.
Good morning. I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
The air conditioner isn't working. The room feels a little warm.
I'm very sorry about that. I'll send someone to fix it right away.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need?
Actually, could I have 2 extra towels?
Of course. We'll bring them to your room in a few minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Later that day. At the reception desk.
Hello. I'd like to check out, please.
Certainly. May I have your room number?
Room 508.
Everything looks good. Your total is $180. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Thank you. Your payment has been completed. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. I really enjoyed my stay. Everyone was very kind.
We're happy to hear that. We hope to see you again soon. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day. Vocabulary. Air conditioner. A machine that cools the room. Extra towel. An additional towel. Fix. To repair something. Check out. To leave the hotel after your stay. Receipt. A paper showing your payment. Cash. Physical money. Card. A credit or debit card. Safe trip. A polite wish for a good journey.
Speaking practice. Slowly. Repeat after me. The air conditioner isn't working. Could I have 2 extra towels? I'd like to check out, please. I'd like to pay by card. Here is your receipt. I enjoyed my stay. Have a safe trip. Excellent. Jimin, do you think checking into a hotel in English is difficult? Not anymore. Today we learned how to check into a hotel, ask about hotel services, solve common hotel problems, check out confidently. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to speak. Every conversation helps you improve. Congratulations! You finished episode 7. Now you know how to speak English confidently at a hotel. Practice today's conversation aloud at least 3 times. You'll be surprised how quickly your English improves.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Miss Teena English Podcast, and turn on the notification bell. We'll see you in episode 8.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and make English part of your everyday life. Bye, everyone!